Coronavirus has been a reason for so much loss, but has also been a reason that a college student started her very own business.
At first, I was nervous and unsure about starting a business during this pandemic.
Despite the nerves, college senior Keatin Gallagher saw an opportunity and took it when COVID canceled her plans.
My friend and I had booked a flight to Nashville to celebrate her 21st birthday.
Since Keatin and her friend couldn't go to Nashville, Keatin knew that she had to find a way to bring Nashville to her.
I came across an old vintage trailer on my grandma's farm. We started by cleaning it out, power washing it down, sanding, then priming, and eventually painting it.
The G-Wagon is a mobile event space that can be tailored to a wide variety of themes.
The G-Wagon has been bringing joy to people all across Minnesota through birthday parties, graduation celebrations, or even a baby shower.
Her creation has gone far beyond a birthday party and has now been a reason for so many to celebrate.
One of my favorite things about the G-Wagon is making my customers' vision come to life.
Not only is the G-Wagon elevating events all over Minnesota, but it's also finding ways to bring encouragement during the pandemic.
I was honored when Hope Kids organization reached out to the G-Wagon to be a part of their Trunk or Treat Halloween event this year and hand out candy to each of these kids. It was an amazing experience to see the smiles that we brought to them.
Despite the uncertainty of starting a business amidst a pandemic, Keatin Gallagher is so glad that she took the risk.
My hope is that the G-Wagon continues to grow and bring people together and enjoy the small little things like each other's company.